Introducing the GRS Glue Machine, designed for smooth and efficient adhesive application over long seams in artificial grass. Start by placing the seaming tape into the glue machine. Carefully feed the tape through the opening at the bottom of the tray until it just begins to come out the other side. This positioning ensures an even glue line right from the start. Once the tape is in place, gently pour the adhesive into the tray. Fill it slowly and evenly to avoid spilling or overfilling. The adhesive will sit directly above the tape, ready for clean application. Start by placing a pin in the seaming tape or hold the seaming tape at the beginning of your installation to secure it in place. Then, pull the GRS Sport Glue Machine backwards. As it moves, the machine passes beneath the adhesive, applying a consistent layer across the entire surface. Continue pulling until the full length of the seam is covered, and refill the tray as needed to maintain an even application. Once the seam is fully glued, fold the artificial grass back over it and press both sides down firmly to bond. The result, a straight, even seam with professional finish. The GRS Sports Glue Machine, quick, precise, and built for high-performance sports field installations.